Hi guys, hope you're doing good. In this series of videos, we are learning about Linux or Unix commands. People those are using Mac, these commands are for you as well. Let us go ahead and see the usage of date command. So when I say date, and you will be getting some information. That's the current information. That is the day of the week, that is Thursday, month, October, and the day, that is 14, and the time in 24 hours format, that is hour, minute, seconds, and followed by the time zone. Now here it is IST, it means that Indian Standard Time, and followed by the year. This is how we get when we type date. But if I want to segregate something, and if I want to look deep down inside that, not everything, but I want something specific, yes, we can do that. I'll say date plus percentage A. Now when I say date plus percentage A, it will provide me the day of this week, that is THUR. It will print third, THU, right? That is Thursday. And if I want the full name of the day of the week, I'll say capital A. That will give you Thursday. The difference between small a and capital A: small a will give the short form of the day of the week, and capital A will give the full form of the day of the week, that is Thursday, right? Now we have one more thing, that is B. So when I say B, it will give the month in short form. When I give capital B, it will give the month name in full form, October. OCT is a short form when I give small b, and October will be provided when I give capital B. Next we have a command called as M, that also provides you the information about month, but in the number format, right? When I say October in number format, it is 10, right? We have three options to get the month. That is small b, that provides you the first three letters of your month. Capital B will provide the full name of the month, and M will provide you, that's small m, will provide you the month in numbers. If I say D, that will provide the day, today's date. 14 is the day, so it provides you 14. And if I say E, no, I'll tell you the difference between D and E. D will provide you two digits if it is a single digit. For example, if the today's date is 1 or 1st October, then it will provide you 01 if I say percentage D. And if the same thing, if I say percentage E, that will provide you 1. So it gives you two digit. Percentage D will give you two digit even though it is a single digit. For example, if it is from 1 to 9, it will provide you 01, 02, 03, 09. But if it is percentage E, it will provide you only 1 to 9, like that. It's a single digit, right? Since it is 14, it will provide you 14 as it is. But the difference between small d and small d and small e is that small d will provide the date, right? The day of this today's date in double digit, even though it is a single digit date. 1 to 9, it will be 01, 02, 03, like that. Okay. Now if I say Y, it will print the year in two digits, 21, right? And if I say capital Y, that will provide you 2021. So that's the difference between small y and capital Y. Now we have one more option, that is capital D, that will provide you month, date, and year, like this: DD, YY. And we have one more option, that is capital F, that will provide you year, month, and date, right? That's year in four digits, YY, that is 2021, month is 10, and date is 14. And we have one more option, that is V. If I do that, it will provide you DD, MON, and 2021, right? So DD is 14, that is date, month in like character format, MON. Here and all we have seen month in number format, right? 10, 10, but here it gives you October. This is how we get the information. And if we want, we can modify it as per our wish. We can combine all these stuffs, right? Whatever we have seen, we can combine all these things and we can get the date. For example, if I say date plus, I'll say percentage, I want the day, today's date, in two digits, so I'll give for D. And then month, I'll say percentage, I'll say B for OCT. And if I say capital B, that gives you that way. And then I'll say percentage capital Y. So you get 14 October 2021, right? In whichever format you want, you can align it, right? It's up to us to decide what we should give. So we have a lot of options. We can combine any options and we can get the information. This is only for getting date. Now we have some options for time. Let us see. I'll say date plus, and if I say percentage H, that gives you the time, that hours, 24 hours format. Now the time is 13, it means that 1. And if I say L, that gives you in 12 hours format, that is 1, right? The difference between H and L, capital H is it gives you in 24 hours format, that is 13, and small l will give you in 12 hours format, that is 1. And if I say capital M, that will give you the minutes, that is 44 minutes. And if I say capital S, that gives you the second, 52 second. And if I want to get information about microsecond, I'll say small s, right? So H for hours in 24-hour format, L for the hours in 12 hours format, M minutes, capital S for second, and small s for microsecond. Now if at all I want to get the complete time, I can go for X. There is an option called as S that gives you in 24 hours format, that is 13, 45, 15. The same thing if I want in 12 hours format, yes, I can go for R, right? When I say date R, that gives you in 12-hour format. Now here you can see 1, 45, 27 seconds, and we get the PM, because without PM we cannot identify whether it is a AM or PM. Here it is 13, we can identify, yes, it is afternoon, right? But here when I say 1, we doesn't know whether it is like the midnight 1 o'clock or the afternoon 1 o'clock, so it gives you PM. And we have an option that is capital R, that provides you only the hour and minute. If I don't want anything else apart, right, because seconds we are not going to do anything with that. So if I want only the hour and minute, yes, I can go for capital R. I have one more option, that is two more options, I'm sorry. That is a small p, that will give you, that is an AM or PM. And then we have capital Z, that gives you the zone, time zone, that is IST, Indian Standard Time. Now if I want to combine all these things and do it, yes, we can do it. I'll say date, I want hour and in 12 hours format, yes, and then I'll give minutes, and then I'll give seconds, right? For seconds it's capital S, right? For minutes it's capital M. For 12 hours format it is small l. And if I want seconds, sorry, microseconds, yes, I can do that. And followed by if I want to print, it's a PM or AM, because when I just have this combination, it will never give you AM or PM, we have to give. So let me add a space to it. I'm going to concatenate a space, and then it's small p. And if I want to know the time zone, again I'm concatenating one more space and then say capital Z. Now here you get, that is 147 6 seconds, this many milliseconds, and it's a PM, and I'm using an Indian Standard Time. So this is how we get the combination. We have a lot of options. We can combine and we can get any type like any format date and any format of time. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.